Hello friends, welcomes to all of you to my YouTube channels Meher's Tutorials. Today we will discuss about MCQ question answer of Biology first chapter class 9th Improvement in Food Resource. Today we will discuss a very much important MCQ questions belongs to Improvement in Food Resource of Biology class 9th Science. Let's start first questions MCQ. Increase in oil production is option first golden revolution, option second yellow revolution, option third white revolution, and option 4 that is D blue revolution. Answer is yellow revolution. That means number 1 का answer increase in oil production is known as yellow revolution. Next question 2. The place for keeping and storing dry plant is called option A arboreum, option B vasculum, option C museum, and option D herbarium. Answer is herbarium. That is, the place for keeping and storing dry plant is called herbarium. Next question, question number 3. Organic farming does not include option A green manures, option B chemical fertilizers, option C crop rotation, and option D compost and farmyard manures. Answer is chemical fertilizer. That is option B. That is, organic farming does not include chemical fertilizers. Question number 4. Pulses are rich in option A carbohydrates, option B proteins, option C oils, and option D vitamins and minerals. Answer is option B protein. That is, pulses are rich in proteins. Next question number 5. The technique used to obtain variety with high yields and other desirable characters is option A introduction, option B selection, option C hybridization, and option D both A and B. Answer is option C hybridization. That is, the technique used to obtain variety with high yields and other desirable character is hybridization. Next question belongs to question number 6. Pusa Larma is an improved variety of option A wheat, option B rice, option C soybean, and option D maize. Answer is wheat. That is, Pusa Larma is an improved variety of wheat. Option A. Next question number 7. Growing 2 or more crops in definite row pattern is option A mixed farming, option B mixed cropping, option C intercropping, and option D crop rotation. Answer is option C intercropping. That is, growing 2 or more crops in definite row pattern is intercropping. Next question 8 number. The botanical name of dhanch is option A Crotalaria jonesea, option B Lans culinaria, option C Trifolium alexandrium, and option D Sesbania aculeata. Answer is option D Sesbania aculeata. That is, the botanical name of dhanch is Sesbania aculeata. Next question 9. The botanical name of sun hemp is option A Crotalaria jonesea, option B Lans culinaris, option C Trifolium alexandrium, and option D Sesbania aculeata. Answer is option A Crotalaria jonesea. That is, the botanical name of sun hemp is Crotalaria janecia. Next question number 10. The botanical name of lentil is option A Johnsia, option B Sesbania aculeata, option C Trifolium alexandrium, and option D Lens culinaris. Answer is option D Lens culinaris. That is, the botanical name of lentil is Lens culinaris. Question number 11. Question number 11. The botanical name of Egyptian clover. The botanical name of Egyptian clover is option A Crotalaria janecia, option B Lens culinaris, option C Timonium alexandrium, and option D Sesbania aculeata. Answer is option C Timonium alexandrium. That is, the botanical name of Egyptian clover is Timonium alexandrium. Next question number 12. Question number 12 is, which one is a micronutrients for the crop plants? Option A calcium, option B iron, option C potassium, and option D magnesium. Answer is option B iron. That is, which one of a micronutrients for the crop plants is iron. Next question number 13. The common biofertilizers used in organic farming are option A margosa, option B pyrethrum, option C green manures, and option D nitrogen fixing bacteria and cyanobacteria. Answer is option D nitrogen fixing bacteria and cyanobacteria. That is, the common biofertilizers used in organic farming are nitrogen fixing bacteria and cyanobacteria. Next question number 14. Growing different crops in the same field in a pre-plant succession is option A crop management, option B plant breeding, option C intercropping, option D crop rotation. Answer is option B plant breeding. That is, growing different crops in the same field in a pre-plant succession is plant breeding. Next question number 15. Maximum milk yielding buffalo is option A Nagpuri, option B Surti, option C Mehsana, and option D Murar. Answer is Murrah. That is, maximum milk yielding buffalo is Murrah. Question number 16. Lactation period is maximum in option A Friesian, option B Sahiwal, option C Holstein Friesians, and option D Corn Swiss. Answer is option C Holstein Friesians. That is, lactation period is maximum in Holstein Friesian. Next question number 17. Question number 17. Exotic breed of poultry birds having high egg laying capacity is option A white leghorns, option B broilers, option C white cornish, and option D new hemisphere. Answer is option A white leghorns. That is, exotic breed of poultry birds having high egg laying capacity is white leghorns. Question number 18. The fungus disease causing maximum death of poultry birds is option A Coryza, option B Polariums, option C Rictus, and option D Aspergillosis. Aspergillosis. Answer is Aspergillosis. Option D That is, the fungus disease causing maximum death of poultry bird is aspergillosis. Question number 19. The method maximum used in cattle breeding is option A random mating, option B artificial insemination, option C control breeding, and option D superovulation and embryo transfer. Answer is option B artificial insemination. That is, the method maximum used in cattle breeding is artificial insemination. Question number 20. Which of the following is the high milk yielding variety of cow? Option A Holstein, option B Dorset, option C Sahiwal, and option D Red Sindhi. Answer is option A Holstein. That is, Holstein is the high milk yielding variety of cow. Next question number 21. Wax gland of honey bees are present in option A queen, option B drones, option C workers, and option D both A and C. Answer is option C workers. That is, wax glands of honey bees are present in workers. Question number 22. Drones in the honey bees colony are born out from option A unfertilized egg, option B fertilized eggs and well nourished larvae, option C savage worker bee, and option D fertilized egg giving heat treatment. Answer is option A unfertilized egg. That is, drone in the honeybee colonies are born out from unfertilized egg. Question number 23. Several embryos can be produced at a time in a single cow by the process of option A hybridization, option B artificial insemination, and option C embryo transfer, and option D random mating. Answer is option C embryo transfer. That is, several embryo can be produced at a time in a single cow by the process of embryo transfer. Next question number 24. Rinderpest disease of poultry is caused by option A insect, option B bacteria, option C virus, and option D protozoa. Answer is option C virus. That is, Rinderpest disease of poultry is caused by a virus. Next question number 25. The Jersey bull used for crossbreeding is exotic variety from option A England, option B Scotland, option C Switzerland, and option D Holland. Answer is England. That is, Jersey bull used for crossbreeding in exotic variety from England. Next question number 26. Layers continue to produce eggs up to option A 350 days, option B 425 days, option C 500 days, and option D 600 days. Answer is option C 500 days. That is, layers continue to produce eggs up to 500 days. Question number 27. Ali Kunhi is famous for development of technique of option A hypophysis, option B composite fish culture, option C mariculture, and option D cell culture. Answer is option A hypophysis. That is, Ali Kunhi is famous for development of the technique of hypophysis. Next question number 28. All animals are option A parasitic, Option B saprophytic, option C autotrophics, and option D heterotrophics. Answer is option D heterotrophics, that is all animals are heterotrophic. Question number 29. Which is the most important source of food and fodder? Option A algae, option B fungi, option C lichen, and option D cereals. Answer is cereals, that is cereal is the most important source of food and fodder. Question number 30. Application of nitrogenous manure to a cause. Option A vigorous vegetative growth, option B yearly flowering, option C yearly fruiting, option D growth retardation due to toxicity of NH. Answer is option A vigorous vegetative growth, that is application of nitrogenous manures to a causes vigorous vegetative growth. Question number 31. The element which is required in large quantity by plant is option A sulfur, option B calcium, option C nitrogen, and option D phosphorus. That is answer is option C nitrogen. That is the element which is required in large quantity by plant is nitrogen. Question number 32. Nodules with nitrogen fixing bacteria are present in option A mustard, option B wheat, option C gram, and option D cotton. Answer is option C gram, that is nodules with nitrogen fixing bacteria are present in gram. 33 question number. Inland fishery is refers to option A culturing fish in freshwater, option B trapping and capturing fishes from sea coast, option C deep sea fisheries, and option D extraction of oil from fishes. Answer is option A culturing fish in fresh water, that is inland fisheries refers to culturing fish in fresh water. Next question number 34. Plants can be made disease resistant by option A heat treatment, option B hormone treatment, option C colchicine treatment, option D breeding with their wild relatives. Answer is option D breeding with their wild relatives, that is plant can be made disease resistant by breeding with their wild relatives. Question number 35. The process of crossbreeding two different variety of crop plants, each having a desired characteristic, is known as option A selection, option B hybridization, option C crossing, and option D introduction. Answer is hybridization, that is the process of crossbreeding two different variety of crop plants, each having a desired characteristic, is known as hybridization. Next question number 36. Milk does not provide option A vitamin A and D, option B iron, option C carbohydrate, proteins and fats, and option D minerals such as phosphorus and calcium. Answer is option B iron, that is milk does not provide iron. Next question number 37. Which of the following statement is correct fertilizer? Which of the following statement is correct fertilizer? Option A it is nutrient specific, option B it is water insoluble. Option C, it is readily absorbed by the plants. And option D, it is compact and easy to transfer. Answer is option B, it is water insoluble. That is, water insoluble is correct fertilizer statement. Next question, question number 38. Which of the following is incorrect for green manure? Which of the following is incorrect for green manure? Option A, it supplies organic matters. Option B, it supplies nitrogen. Option C, it prevents soil erosion. And option D, it allows leaching. That is, answer is option D, it allows leaching. That is, the incorrect statements for green manure is it allows leaching. Question number 39. When both crops and livestock are raised on the same farm, it is known as option A, mixed farming, option B, mixed cropping, option C, intercropping, and option D, crop rotation. Answer is option A, mixed farming. That is, when two crops and livestock are raised on the same farm, it is known as mixed farming. Next question number 40. Living organisms are used in option A, organic manure, option B, biofertilizers, option C, natural insecticides, and option D, pesticides. Answer is biofertilizers. That is, living organisms are used in biofertilizers. Question number 41. The principal cereal crop of India is option A, wheat, option B, rice, option C, maize, option D, sorghum. Answer is option B, rice. That is, the principal cereal crops of India is rice. Next question number 42. Gundhi bug is a pest of option A, sugarcane, option B, cotton, option C, wheat, and option D, rice. Original answer is option D, rice. That is, Gundhi bug is a pest of rice. Next question number 43. Sustainable agriculture involves option A, mixed farming, option B, mixed cropping, option C, crop rotation, and option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. That is, sustainable agriculture involves mixed farming, mixed cropping, and crop rotation. Question number 4. Which of the following have been artificially selected? Option A, cabbage, option B, cauliflowers, option C, broccoli, and option D, all of these. Answer is option D, all of these. That is, cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli have been artificially selected. Next question number 45. Kranti, Pusa Agarni, and Pusa Bold are improved variety of option A, urad bean, option B, sunflower, option C, chickpea, and option D, mustard. Answer is option D, mustard. That is, Kranti, Pusa Agarni, and Pusa Bold are improved variety of mustard. Question number 46. Which of the following is not a drought animal? Option A, camel, option B, elephant, option C, horse, and option D, sheep. Answer is option D, sheep. That is, Sheep is not a draught animal. Question number 47. Which of the following is a leguminous green fodder commonly available in winter? Option A cowpea, option B rice and jowar, option C berseem and lucerne, and option D elephant grass. Answer is option C berseem and lucerne. That is, berseem and lucerne is a leguminous green fodder commonly available in winter. Next question number 48. Which one of the following is micronutrient? Which one of the following is a micronutrients? Option A nitrogen, option B phosphorus, option C potassium, and option D boron. Answer is option D, that is boron. That means boron is micronutrients from the following four options. Question number 49. Which of the following is not an exotic breed of cow? Option A Jersey, option B Holstein Friesian, option C Sahiwal, and option D Brown Swiss. Answer is option C Sahiwal. That is, Sahiwal is not an exotic breed of cow. Next question number 50. The first experiment in artificial insemination was performed by option A Aristotle, option B Linnaeus, option C Spallanzani, and option D Berzelius. Answer is option C Spallanzani. That is, the first experiment in artificial insemination was performed by Spallanzani. Question number 51. Which of the following yields maximum milk per year? Option is Holstein Friesian, option B Frieswald, option C Red Sindhi, and option D Sahiwal. Answer is option A Holstein Friesian. That is, Holstein Friesian yields maximum milks per year. Question number 52. What is pulse rate of buffalo per minute? What is pulse rate of buffalo per minute? Option A 16 to 80 per minute. Option B 40 to 45 minutes per minute. Option C 40 to 60 per minute. Option D 70 to 72 per minute. Answer is option B 40 to 45 per minute. That is, the pulse rate of buffalo per minute is 40 to 45 per minute. Question number 53. Which of the following poultry birds lay maximum number of eggs? Option A ILS 82, option B B77, option C HH 260, and option D IVL 80. Answer is option C HH 260. That is, HH 260 poultry birds lay maximum number of eggs. Question number 55. Which one of the following is the fastest growing carp? Option A Rohu, option B Katla, option C Mrigal, option D Singhara. Answer is option B Katla. That is, Katla is the fastest growing carp. Next question number 56. Which of the following is gaseous dominant? Option A DDT, option B phosphide, option C acetylene dichloride, and option D methyl bromide. Answer is option D methyl bromide. That is, methyl bromide is gaseous dominant. Question number 57. Which of the following is natural insecticides? ऑप्शन ए निकोटीन, ऑप्शन बी ओसेम, ऑप्शन सी पायरेथ्रो and option D all of these. Answer is option D all of these, that is nicotine, osem, pyrethroids. All are natural insecticides. Question number 58. Which of the following is broadleaf weed? Option A Xenopodium, option B Convolvulus, option C Amarnathans, Amaranthus, option D all of these. Answer is option D all of the above, that is Xenopodium, Convolvulus and Amaranthus have broadleaf weed. Question number 59. Which one of the following fishes is a surface feeder? Option A rohus, option B mrigals, option C common carp and option D cutlass. Answer is option D cutlass, that is cutlass is a surface feeder. Question number 60. Which of the following are Indian cattle? Option A Bos indicus, option B Bos domestica, option C Bos bubalis and option D Bos vulgaris. Answer is option A Bos indicus, that is Bos indicus are Indian cattle. Today we have discussed about first chapter of biology, improvement in crop food resource. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channels. Thank you.